happy new moon in Aries. Actually, happy 6 out of 10 planets in Aries. Are you feeling the energy, the increased momentum, vitality, energy that you might not even have realized that you needed? Are you just getting up and cleaning the house? Just because? Not because you think you should? Just because you have the energy to? Well, it's probably all that Aries. So I picked a crystal of the day that can help to lean into the fiery energy. And it's this one. Have you ever seen Tangerine Quartz? Isn't it beautiful? I love it. I love the energy of orange anyway. And second chakra, of course, we like that energy and vitality and creativity and passion. But if you're one of the more sensitive souls today and Tangerine Quartz and all the fiery energy is maybe getting you keyed up, feeling a little nervous, a little overdone, well, I've got the antidote to all the fire energy. Are you ready? You want to know what stone to grab? Okay. This is the one that you want to use as an antidote. It is Amazonite. Amazonite is very calming, cooling, soothing to the nervous system. It kind of looks like you're looking into the beautiful blue waters, right? You can hold it, or even blue sky. You can hold it and feel its calming vibes, more centering, more relaxing, more peaceful. Now, I'm a fire sign. I'm a Leo. So all this fiery energy is actually helping me. What is it doing for you? Leave a comment and let me know. Are you team Tangerine Quartz or team Amazonite today? And no matter what you do, have a fantastic new moon. Take care.